Hi everyone, welcome to the final day of 7 days to blessings. How are you guys doing? Did you guys reach to the 7th day? I am super excited and I'm super happy because today I'm going to share my secret sauce, what helped me achieve my goals easily. And today I'm going to share that with you openly. Are you guys ready for it? If yes, comment below. I want to know the secret, and I'm right here going to offer you that. All right? Before I move to that secret, I want to ask you, did you guys completed your 6th day? Were you able to take that action? Were you able to take that baby step that is towards your goals, dreams, and desires? Were you able to do that? For the ones who did it, I am super happy for you. Congratulate yourself because you have climbed the first ladder of success. And for the ones who haven't done this, I want to ask you something. I have a question for you. Think about what will happen if you don't take that step. I repeat myself. What will happen if you don't take that step? Think about it. You know what? All the efforts that you have put in the last 5 days, 6 days, will go in vain. The first 5 days are important, as the first 3 days are about understanding, clarity. The remaining 2 days are about planning, and the 6th day is about the real work, that is action. Without action, nothing is achieved. If you do not take that step, how much ever good your planning is, it will not be easy, or I don't think it will be possible to take that reward of your planning to get into that success mode. You want to be successful, you have to take that action. Alright? For the ones who haven't taken that action, go ahead, do it. I am here with you. I want to see you succeeding. So victory is waiting for you. Come on, get up, go and do it. Alright? Now let's quickly move to this day 7 of 7 days to blessings, and I am revealing my secret to you. The first part of my secret, there are 2 parts by the way. The first part is trust. Alright? Do you believe that whole universe is guarded by some power? There's some power, there's someone who's taking care of this whole universe, of the life? If yes, then trust in that power. If you do not believe in that power, then believe in one power, and that is you. And for the ones who believe in God, Allah, Jesus Christ, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva, goddesses, anyone, if you believe in God in whatever form, then trust in that God. And you know what? You are a child of God. You're born in the image of God. You hold a part of that power, and with that power you can create a beautiful future, not only for yourself but for others. Alright? You can create for yourself and others that beautiful future. You can have that victory, and that's what law of attraction is also about, right? Trust. Do you know something? That a child, when you play with a child, when you throw the child up in the air, the child smiles. You know why? Because the child is trusting you. He knows that you're there to catch you. Then trust in that supreme power, or trust in yourself that you will be able to catch yourself. That supreme power will be able to catch you. Okay? So please trust and believe that this is achievable. You remember on day 3 what we did was finding out the blockages? Right? We did the finding of hindrance and blockages. And this trust will let go of all those blockages and hindrances. It will help you. When you work with trust and certainty, you achieve things better. Alright? It's easier. The road becomes softer for you. Alright? Now, I'm going to move to the second part of what is important, and that is gratitude. I want to ask you what happens if you keep on doing a lot of things for people around you and in return they don't even thank you. Do you feel like doing for them again and again? Do you feel like doing more for them? The answer is no. You do not want to do for them again, right? So remember, before you are complaining, start having gratitude. Gratitude heals. The power of gratitude is amazing. You can't even think about it. I have used gratitude as an exercise for a lot of my clients, and I have seen returns. I have seen results. You know what? I remember there was this client who has been suffering with some career issues, was not able to work on her career. And you know what? She practiced 28 days of gratitude, and what happened? From lowest level, she came to the highest level. There was so many clients suffering with relationship issues, and I made them practice the power of gratitude for 28 days. And you know what happened with that? Their relationships are better than before. They are much better than before. The relationships which were doubtful are now more than successful. So you choose. Choice is yours. What do you want to do? Do you want to trust in the power of gratitude? If yes, then listen to this very carefully. If no, choice is yours. Alright? For the ones who are ready to believe in the power of gratitude, let me tell you very clearly that when you get up, do you realize you've been gifted 24 hours? This is how I get up. When I get out of my bed, I first of all say thank you for the 24 hours. There's so many people who sleep and then they never wake up. They never wake up. They're gone. They're gone from this planet. You still have these 24 hours. Be grateful. When I get down off my bed, I say thank you for the feet that I have. I can walk. I'm grateful. Then I give gratitude for the footwear and so on and so forth. You know, there's so many people who are starving. They do not even have a meal. They do not have shelter. They do not have anything for themselves. They're living on what others give them. Can you just thank God for whatever you have been given? It's amazing, right? How we keep on complaining and not looking at the things which we are provided. Give gratitude. Make it a habit. Alright? This will bring in a lot of positive changes in your life. Trust and gratitude are my secret sauce. You know what? I am disclosing this on the 7th day of 7 days to blessings, but you as an individual can always use it on any day in your life. Alright? Trust and gratitude eases your path. This is my secret sauce. To be honest, trust and gratitude was something taught to me by my parents in my early childhood. I used to use it, but then life happened and I stopped using it. But when it came back in my life, I welcomed it open heartedly. And from the day I welcomed trust and gratitude, and I'm just getting emotional. From the day I started using trust and gratitude more and more in my life, success was right there to welcome me. I wasn't running behind success. Success is running behind me. That is the key. Trust and gratitude. Follow it, people. Just do it. It's not going to take away anything from you. It's only going to give you. Stop complaining. Okay, if you do not want to stop complaining, no problem. Start having gratitude. Complaints will go away all by themselves. You will not have to take any action for it. And you can trust me on that. Because I have done it. And I have thousands of examples of that. Yes, I do. So do that. And all right, people, before I end the seventh day, you know what? The 7 days journey was fun. And I'm sure you guys enjoyed it too. And I'm not gonna delete these videos. You know, it's a part of my paid program, and I have given this as a gift. I'm still planning to keep this video till the time they keep on impacting your life. The day I feel that you guys are not using these videos, and I will take it off. I can. You know why? Because we have to have gratitude for what is being offered. And if you have gratitude towards this beautiful journey of 7 days to blessings, you will bring that impact in your life and others. Follow them. Before I remove these videos, I want it to create an impact. And that's the reason I'm planning to leave it, because I want to see that impact in your life. All right? Enjoy yourself. And I'm going to meet you guys very, very, very soon. Wish you lots and lots of success, and congratulations for your success. Congratulations for your victory. God bless you all. Love and light to all of you. I'll see you very, very soon. This is the final episode of 7 days to blessings. Stay connected for more. And if these 7 days of blessings have impacted your life, share it with others. It will help everyone. All right. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Sending lots and lots of love, light, and blessings your ways. Stay happy. Stay strong. Life is beautiful. And so are you. Take care. Bye-bye.